You alright?
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What? What the hell, man? Jesus Christ, man!
To return to the Oval Office.
You are one dumb son of a bitch.
Oh! Yeah, that's close. There's a fuck with him, weren't there?
Warning on this one. Triple J.
Oh, here we go. What's this coming down the bike lane? And Scotty!
You want to click it?
Oh, did you see him? He turned left
Yeah.
on the traffic lights.
Fuck it, I'm out.
1 minute later.
Start event recording.
Oh no. Come on. Jesus.
Say my name.
There's one for you, Scotty.
Still clear all down into the intersection.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
How you doing? Not my fault. I got distracted by a broken table on the streets.
What was that, marijuana?
That was steam. Steam.
Steam? Is there something wrong with this vehicle? Mate, you didn't indicate before either.
What's that?
To warn other drivers where you're going.
What's that?
Mate, you just can't chuck a right whenever you want.
I can chuck a rice whenever I want.
You can't chuck a right.
I can chuck a rice.
You can't chuck a rice.
Chuck a rice now.
Don't chuck a rice.
Chuck a rice. Where was
Boy!
Oh shit!
You're coming on like you're my best friend. I know you'd like to think my life depends on you. Why don't you stop? Why don't you take a listen round? If your thoughts don't make a sound, why don't you change your way of thinking? If you're gonna make a run, boy, better make it fast. If you're gonna make a big noise, better make it last. You're running out of control. Police run out of control. Along the streets of your city.
Mate, I have reason to suspect you've never taken this thing off-road.
Are you serious?
It's illegal to drive with no intention of using a vehicle for its intended purpose.
What the fuck? Scotty, the dickheads are out.
No! You're a fucking idiot, well done. They were on the wrong side of the bloody road. I saw you. Pretty sure that holding is not a red light.
We'd already hosted 2 Formula 1 drivers. Damon Hill came along for a laugh.
Oh,
and Aussie star Mark Webber set a sensational time in the rain. Mark recognised me immediately from our Formula 3 days, apparently from the way I walked.
That's not good at all.
So I made him swear not to tell him.
Nice one. That was a little bit red, wasn't it, mate? Oh, nice one, Kia. Nice. That was a little bit red, wasn't it? Just a tad. Fucking idiot, why? Stupid dick.
Video protected.
Really? Fucking dumb. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I was getting into TG. The camera
Oh,
started
it's a
less
trouble in
intrusive,
Jackaroo.
more like a protective bubble.
Oh, shit.
I think the show was getting me too. My direct approach worked for producers most of the time.
Wow. There you go.
6 to 8 million viewers in the UK.
Ooh.
The global audience of some 500 million. The goodwill.